Yo, what's up guys? So if you're paying for Google ads right now, or you're spending a ton of money on meta ads and you're not profitable, it's not you. Honestly, it's just the market right now. It's not unusual. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your ad spend budget with local SEO, generate a ton of appointments, a ton of people coming into your business, totally organically, getting you guys ranked on Google and ChatGPT, okay, so AI search. Make sure you watch the entire video though. Don't have a monkey brain. Watch the entire video because I'm gonna show you guys how to make $4,000 to $5,000 extra to your business every single month by getting you guys ranked on Google and ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is make sure that we have at least a website to where people can click on, and a Google business profile page like this. So a few things with the Google business profile page, you want to make sure for the images, they're not stock photos. They need to be legitimate, photographed images of your business and workplace and employees. This one's a good example. You also want to make sure you guys have a minimum of 20 reviews. Google doesn't increase your rankings with having more reviews than just 20, but it over 20 reviews increases credibility with customers, but it's not going to influence your search traffic heavily going past 20 reviews. So you want to make sure you have 20 reviews in your Google profile page. Next, you want to make sure that the website information is 100% congruent with your Google business profile page. So with the phone number, you want to make sure it's the same phone number in the website provided. You want to give the same address that the website has, and also the same hours and times that you guys are open. The website should also include and be congruent with the Google business profile page. If it's not congruent, Google sees you guys as a non-authoritative page, and it's going to dock your rankings a lot, and it's not going to be good. Okay, so tip number one, just optimize your Google business profile page, get 20 reviews, and have pictures that are not BS pictures. Okay, next, you want to make sure that your location is in a high traffic location. So I would honestly pick the biggest city in your area where it has the most traffic. So for me, it would be Sacramento. So I would place my business, maybe get an office around here, or just go down here when I create my Google business profile page and set my location to the middle of Sacramento. Because Google is really biased when it recommends companies. Google recommends the nearest company in that person's location. So if you put your business inside of the highest traffic location, you're going to have a lot more clients, and you're going to rank higher on Google really easily. Okay. Also, another cheat sheet. Okay, if you want to get a ton of clients without doing all the other BS, you can literally just put the high traffic city in your name. So for example, it would be Bella Aesthetic Med Spa, Sacramento, or Sacramento Bella Aesthetic Spa. So whenever anyone looks up med spa in Sacramento, yours is going to be the number one or top one to pop up, and you're going to kill competition that way. And since you guys have good images, you have 20 reviews, you're going to get a lot of calls, a lot of clicks, and you should be driving around 10 to 20 appointments if you do all these steps. Now I'm going to give you guys a bonus tip real quick. This is my favorite one. So you can go here to Fiverr. Type in local citations. Oop, spelled that wrong. Excuse my spelling, guys. Okay. So it's going to cost you like $20, $40, and you're going to get citations on things like Yelp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Craigslist, Google Local, Bing, Facebook, all these important citations that you would need to give you high credibility from Google and AI search. If you combine all this together, I guarantee you 99% of your competitors are not doing this, especially if you're in an uncompetitive market and you're going to be driving 10, 20, 30, 40 appointments every single month, and you probably would only need to spend 2 hours doing this and maybe $100 spent. So that's how you guys replace your ad spend budget with local SEO, and with 3 easy steps. So if you guys like what you see, you like this video, go ahead and click the follow button. But if you want more in-depth tips, if you want to work with me and see amazing results, like my client Exclusive Fades, who's a barbershop, he was doing 290 visitors a month, and we got him all the way up to 10,000 visitors and generated $6,000 a month in profit for him. So you can go ahead and email me in the description below, okay? All right, take care.